Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make gathered turtleneck. You'll be needing your fabric, your desired fabric, up to 2 yards, scissors, staple, tailor's chalk. Get your fabric, fold into two, trim the neckline, do your normal block bodice on it. Mark your darts, cut through the lines, cut through the lines, close the darts, add another material under, pleat down or gather. You will achieve something like this. This method is called slash and spread method. Slash and spread method. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.